Finally. That call took forever to connect. So, did something happen? Of course. I'm glad you're home. It's raining in Skyhaven, right? I'm sorry. I didn't expect to get a mission assigned to me just like that. Okay. Did you get caught in the rain? Are you cold? Don't underestimate a deep space hunter, huh? There are dry towels in the bathroom. Take a shower first. Then turn on the heater to warm yourself up properly. Your coat's in the lower part of the closet to the left, and several sets of loungewear are on the upper shelf. Bone broth. I set a timer too. It should be ready by the time you finish your shower. I saw a recipe while browsing the interwebs yesterday and wanted to give it a try. When have you not been lucky, though? Uh-oh, I think I just entered a zone with a bad signal. I didn't just prepare that. A lot of entertainment stuff is in the living room. Books, TV shows, movies. Everything should be enough to keep you busy until I get back. Well, I keep my place stocked up with nice things to make sure you'd stay. Seriously? Or is this just your evasive way of asking me to speak from the heart? Alright, I'll be honest. Even if there's a small chance of you stopping by, I don't want to disappoint you. And I'm glad you feel the same way.